What's up, YouTube? This is Tim at Tim's Automotive Garage. Today we're going to be working on a small block Chevrolet intake. It's going to be vapor homing it. As you can see over here, it's pretty dirty. Pick used intakes up fairly cheap. I'm going to show you how to make it look new with a vapor home technology. I'd walk over here and show you the machine. This is what they call the vapor home. Basically, it uses a media kind of like bead glass up real fine, and it uses water with it, jet powered water. The trick to making it look good is actually glass beading it in a glass bead cabinet first to get all the rough dirt and stuff off. So I'm going to take you over here and show you the glass bead. Got a lot of work in here right now to do. Excuse the mess. This is the glass bead cabinet. Alright, I'm going to turn this on and let my cameraman try to get a shot of it while I'm glass beading it, and then we'll move to the vapor home. Alright, I'm going to pause the video, finish glass beading it. Once I get it out of the glass bead, I'll start the video and show you what it looks like from there, and then we move to the vapor home. Alright, as you can see, we just got through bead blasting it. It's clean, but it don't have no shine to it. Alright, so now we're going to move to the vapor home. I'm going to finish doing this. You kind of see how it works. I'm going to finish this and we'll rinse it off and blow it dry and show you the end product. Alright, here's the finished product. I might have missed a spot or two. I didn't spend a whole lot of time. Still at work, tired, ready to go home. Just thought I'd shoot this little short video and show you what a vapor home does. Alright, YouTube, it's another small block Chevrolet intake done in the vapor home. I done it a while back. I got a set of heads I was going to show you that's been done in the vapor home. These heads was pretty ugly. Somebody tried to paint them chrome, blasted them and then vapor homed them and almost looked new again. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.